Hi everyone, it's me AJ. I am a Salesforce certified developer, admin, and a consultant. Today I'm going to give you a quick demo about order management app which we build for a particular client in Salesforce by help of Visualforce pages and AngularJS. So let me get started. We created a dedicated order tab, and in the particular order you can generate a particular order and it will send out an email to both the vendor as well as the existing user. So let us get started. So as I go to the order tab, you can see the new order page. So in this particular new order page, we are going to select a particular account, and this particular account, you can see it's a lookup. You can type in the particular account value, and these are the fields such as street, city, state, zip code, and ship to phone that are auto populated from the account details. And we also added a functionality. When a particular user wants to look a particular product, they can type in the product name. So you can see how it works. Like I have typed in LH and it is showing me all the products for LH, and you can also search based on the other information like any other comma separated values to get multiple particular project. So the search functionality is based upon the and or combination as well, and you can see that I have added in the multiple products with the keyword in the reverse order as well as in the same order. Now I'm going to double click on each one of them, and you can see that it is populated on my right hand side. I'm filling up the quantities, and as I fill in the quantities, I can add in some notes, or we can also manage other things over here. So I'll hit on review order. So you can see that we also have a functionality of reviewing the order. In the review mode, it's non-editable, and in the review mode you can sort of review and see whether this is in review. So let me go back and let me check it out in Salesforce. So you can see that within Salesforce there is the order. Here is the order tab. I can see that the status is also in review, and you can also see the remarks as well as, and we are able to solve another requirement, that a particular batch class in the backend is going to select all the order details, and it will be sending an email with the URL, and the URL will take that particular user to this particular page. The user can review this order, and they can hit on go back, and they can select the product again, and they can add or remove the product in the review mode, and they can again place it on the review mode. And back from the order, you can see that it is having those particular products. As I hit on review mode, you can see that the order finally gets created. The status is also set as order sent to Chempax. And that's all for now. I hope you liked our video. Do contact us for any particular work you have.